Hi my dear friends, I'm happy to meet you here in the one of the best bar in Moscow. So this is the Korobok bar and we here stay in the one of the best station I'm seen ever. I'm really exciting to see this station because it's so comfortable, especially to do some bar skills tricks. So you see the box for the ice, the box for the bottles, no any speed rail. So I'm just can stay here really great and I can control everything I'm do here above the station. But first guys, I would like to say subscribe my YouTube channel. Just press it, like it video, comment this video, because if you like that, I will do more videos like that and I need your feedback. Also follow my Instagram page, there you can find a lot of Flair tutorials, the broken Flair, exhibition Flair you can find there as well. So guys, in the first trick I will show you this one, the trick with the tin or tin. So what I'm doing here, look, I'm doing it super quick. If you do a bit of slowly like this, you will lose your eyes during the way to do this move. So look, just put here behind, then going to the back super quick. So ice cube goes to the bar station and shaker goes to the small tin like that, and just put to the bar top. Also you can upgrade this move to this one. Look, we just take the tin from here. So and look, I'm putting here, then I'm just do some spin, but I'm not throwing anything. I'm just do the one spin like this between my middle and thumb, and then I do from this way and do the same move. So first I must to show this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So also looks great. One more time. And then starting to make it cool. Explaining this trick to you. We starting from this position, just the simple position when our small tin is stay above our tin, the big one, and we just take this all together by the only one hand, then just throw with the one spin to the other hand. I'm right-handed, so I'm just throw the small tin from right to left hand and catch to the straight tin like this. And here look, I'm do the move, really simple invert move by my middle finger. I'm just push to the up from the bottom of this tin like this, and the tin doing just one spin also. But after I'm not catching by this hand, I'm catching inside the small tin, so like this. So and all together we just holding the ball, throwing with the one spin and do the invert one by our middle finger. And also same time you can just show by your index finger to all the tricks you catch together. So like this, 1, 2, yeah. So after this, we just put in the ice, drop this tin inside the ice cube, and then we just trying to do the simple move. This one just trying to do it with the big tin. Just try to do one spin and catch again to the ice cube. So like this. I'm using the normal metal ice cube, but also you can use this plastic one. It's a bit of different with the plastic ice cube. So when we're doing this move red, we just can starting to do this move, just catching inside. You already completely do some simple move, but after we need to throw from here and do some small tap by this side of the tin, and the tin goes back. So look. And all together one more time. Okay guys, the next move almost the same but different. So looks like this. 1, 2. Here we're just holding the tins the same position, then throwing from right to left same time. And here, look, by inertia, I do also invert flip by my thumb this time. So this way. 1, 2. Putting the eyes, same time we can drop the small thing here, and then just take it by our ice cube. That's it, and we already can start the pool. At the end of this lesson, I would like to show some simple finger roll in the working flare. So the finger roll from the working flare look like this. 1, and the pull, just simple finger roll. We can do this move, for example, just when we would like to make a throw. For example, you can do some stylish pull together. 1, 2, 3, 4, cuts, change, and pull again. Yeah. Let's explain what I'm doing here. Keeping the bottle by the neck, then putting the ring finger here. Look, ring finger goes to the bottleneck from this way, from the inside. And here, look, I'm just starting to roll the bottle to the up, so around my middle finger. And when I'm rolling it, I'm catching here by my index finger, so like this. Just do the one spin and changing the position of the hand from this to this one, yeah? And then finish here. So that's it, guys. You don't need to do the too much spins in the working flare, because in the working flare bottle it's hard. For example, when I'm do this with the exhibition flare and the bottle almost empty, I can do, for example, twice, 1, 2, yeah? But in the working flare the bottle is heaviest, and you must do this just with the one spin. That's it. So again, 1, and then just putting the thumb here and can start to make the pull. Explain this one with the tin. So I'm just do this 1 spin, and from this way I'm throw to the left hand, and from left hand I'm just throw the tin with the 1 spin. So 1, 2, so 1, 2. We can make it to this one, for example, yeah, or vice versa, or wherever you want. So guys, I think this is enough for the today exercises. Watch it few times in the beginning and try to use just plastic bottles in the beginning. You don't need to use glass bottle with the bottle, because you can drop everything and break. Keep practice, keep learning. Tag me in my Instagram stories how you do these moves, and I'm looking forward to see the feedback from you guys. Bye bye, and see you in the next video.